Hello and welcome to the evening news. Today's headline is: a bus full of students was in a traffic accident on E6. A tourist was taking a selfie and fell down from beside the cable car. William Michelsen Masunda became man of the match in the Circus Championship. And then we finish with the weather.
Yesterday was a bus full of students involved in a traffic accident. Luckily, nobody got hurt. The bus with the students on was on its way to the movies when the driver lost control over the bus and drove into the trench. The accident found place just ahead of Tromsøsundtunnelen, and as said, nobody got hurt, just some small damages on the bus.
Earlier today, a businessman from China fell down the mountainside at the cable car here in Tromsø. The man was taking a selfie when he slipped and fell down. We are still waiting for future information, and we currently know if he's still alive.
Today, Fløya played against Thiel in the Circuit Cup finale. Fløya won by 2 and got the Rice Trophy. Here I stand with William Michelsen Masunda, who played a heck of a game. You became man of the match. How did it feel to lift the trophy for the second time?
Yeah, it feels wonderful. It's always good to know that we gave 100% and we actually got the trophy for the second time, some of us. I felt like we deserved it, and yeah, it feels great.
How did you manage to secure this win?
Yeah, we knew it was going to be tough, so it was important for us to get the first goal, and we did that, and we kept the ball in possession, and we got lots of chances, and luckily for us, 2 of them was put in the goal.
What is your dreams for the future?
No, I just gonna focus on football and developing me as a player and developing the team.
Thank you. That was William Michelsen Masunda.
The weather report in Tromsø. This period will be cloudy and rainy. Today's weather is from 2 p.m. till 6 p.m. it will be raining and the temperature will be around 7 degrees. 6 p.m. it will stop raining and we will see the sun. And here is the rest of the week. It will keep raining and the temperature will be around 7 degrees.
That was all the news for now. Thank you for watching.